In the process of getting to this point, we've already covered a lot of topics that should help your book to rank. You're in Kindle Select. You chose your niche well. You have a great cover and a description with some key phrases in it. So far, so good. At the same time, using strict adherence to the formatting guide will also help. Now, what else can you do to get some exposure? While no one knows the exact algorithm that Amazon uses to define the position of its books, there are a few things that we know factor in. These are reviews, ratings, and downloads. So if you have a great description and a good price, the next strategy needs to be getting as many downloads and positive reviews as you possibly can. Selling your books for a while using a low price is a very good way to do this, as is making sure that your books are very well written and that they get good reviews. Don't be afraid to ask your readers to review your book if they've enjoyed it. Just as on an app, there's nothing to prevent you from including a little reminder for your readers and telling them how much it would help you out if they consider leaving some feedback. If you already have a platform such as a blog or a mailing list, then this is an excellent place to promote your book and to ask people to leave positive reviews. You can also use social media, etc., to promote special offers and to drive as many downloads as possible. Don't be afraid to eat into your own profits in the short term. This will help a great deal in the long term. Note as well that people are moved to write nicer reviews when they paid less for the book. Another tip is to create an author page on Amazon Central, which will help to give your books more credibility. You can also use other traditional forms of marketing. Now, that means using Google AdWords, for instance, or Facebook ads. These might be lost leaders to begin with, meaning that you'll spend more money on advertising than you'll earn. But in the long run, it can help your book get more attention and more downloads, which will give it the momentum that you need to get into the top 20. Likewise, you can also get your book written about in magazines and on blogs, as mentioned earlier, especially if you're willing to offer a hefty discount for a short time. Or how about creating a video advert for YouTube? This worked very well for Tim Ferriss and his 4-Hour Chef book.